often ask us, what are the best practices when starting an ERP project or digital transformation? Well, experience tells us that the most successful ERP projects start by optimizing business performance. See, if you're trying to improve your business, just getting new software isn't the solution. So, in this brief video, we'll explain exactly why business process improvement, or BPI, must be the focus of any ERP solution. And we'll discuss 3 questions you must ask of your business to propel you through the BPI journey. We'll let you see behind the scenes into how we help manufacturers and distributors select and implement the best ERP solution for their businesses by keeping business process improvement as the priority. So, why begin with BPI? All forward-looking manufacturers and distributors work continuously to improve their operations. They know that in order to improve productivity, accelerate workflows, and lower operational costs, you've got to transform the process and systems in your business. We know it makes no sense to throw money, people, time, and technology at incorrect, bad, or broken processes. Before you choose an ERP solution, evaluating how to improve your business processes is essential. Remember that business process improvement isn't just about technology. To realize the full value of an ERP investment, you need to analyze and optimize your processes and then select a solution to automate those processes. So, to successfully change how your business works, your organization needs to answer these 3 questions. Where are we now? What is possible? And where do we want to be? The first question, where are we now, gets to the heart of what we call current state, getting to know how you do business today. To arrive at the answer to this question, our consultants encourage companies to document every important process, such as order to cash, procure to pay, design to deploy, and others. A detailed analysis of your business processes, practices, and technical environment shows areas for improvement, informs the software selection process, accelerates time to benefit, and boosts your ROI. Here's how this critical phase is done. Every business action is analyzed in depth, documenting the inputs, processes, and outputs for each of the core process. Then, a process flow visualization is developed for each process to help identify inefficiencies and waste. The efficiency of most business processes declines over time unless a conscious and continued effort is made to re-examine, reimagine, re-engineer, and improve them. There's no secret shortcut here. You've just got to do the work. Fact is, many executives are aware of their company's inefficiencies, but they're often surprised by the extent. The second question, what is possible, is about teaching your business process owners what can be optimized using today's technologies. As you'd expect, most managers and users are not up to date on the capabilities of modern ERP solutions and current industry best practices, knowledge that is needed to choose a new system. So, how do you educate your people on what's possible? Our consultants recommend the following ways to build your curriculum. Leverage guidance, insight, workshops, and online content from outside resources such as independent consultants and third-party organizations. Acquire solution capability, functionality, and product strategy information from ERP software vendors and industry analysts. Focus on the capabilities and functionalities that address your unique process challenges. When your team has a shared understanding of the problem areas and possibilities, your organization can develop plans for process improvements and new efficiencies. Leaning on independent experts during this phase will broaden your understanding of the process improvements enabled by today's technologies. At Ultra Consultants, we know how modern toolsets eliminate inefficiencies in core processes and can offer insights that will enhance your organization's awareness of best practices and software capabilities. The third question you must answer to fundamentally change your organizational processes for the better is, where do we want to be? Now that you've got the current state determined and documented, and you've learned current possibilities and best practices, you can envision the company's future state with its improved processes and workflows. To answer the question about where you want to be, consider this first. What do you need to do that you can't do now? Also, our consultants offered another pro tip. Host workshops to evaluate the potential impact of the new processes on business performance. Ask your participants, what can we do now before implementation of a new ERP solution to improve our existing system? What are some strategic midterm improvements that will require IT investments? And what are the long-term improvements that will be required to get our organization to its future state? A last thought. The vision of your future state will help smooth your implementation. It's common for organizations to experience resistance to change, even when your existing processes are limited by inefficient practices and outdated technology. However, the value to be delivered by a new ERP solution, the future state, will motivate your teams, gain buy-in, and help them stay focused on the end goal. Remember, the difficult part of BPI isn't knowing what to do, it's knowing how to do it. To build a foundation for your transformation, we follow a 5-step BPI process. Number 1, identify your unique requirements. Number 2, assess your current state. 3, know what's possible with today's sophisticated solutions. Number 4, determine a desired future state. And 5, optimize your core processes. So, when you decide it's going to work better for your company to bring in outside resources to help with this process, get a partner with a proven ERP project track record who adapts to meet your company's unique needs. With Ultra on your side, you're empowered to drive efficiencies that increase your bottom line. For more information and additional resources on how to bring our expertise through your front door, visit us at ultraconsultants.com.